Hello viewers, I'm going to show you how to make cookies shampoo slime without glue, without salt. We are going to use only 3 ingredients: shampoo, a week. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. We are going to add next ingredients to make it strong. Suave Kids shampoo. Soon we will see how Suave Kids makes it strong. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, put it in the comment below. Don't forget to turn notification on.